Hello, 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 Mr. Eric, Mr. Ryan. How are you today?
Good.
Good. Okay, so today we're going to talk about Eric and Ryan. This is a string, yeah?
Huh? We're gonna talk about that.
Ryan, maybe. Okay, Ryan. Okay, just Eric and Ryan, and then I want you to reverse it by not by characters, by words. So you become Ryan and Eric.
It'll be name.
Yeah. So for example, if you have something more than
If it was
reverse,
by letters, it'll be nay, then that.
so it's you reverse the words, not the characters. Okay, it's not like Ryan and then you reverse the characters. You'll be N-A-Y-R, right?
Nay.
Okay, so do you see it? Yeah, reverse the word. Yeah.
Eric and Rice is an anagram.
Yeah. Any thoughts how we doing it? How are we doing?
Switch. We just start from the last bit. We just reverse it.
How do we reverse
In
it?
words. So we start from this letter, the word. Eat Ryan, then go to the next one. And then Eric.
Yeah, good job. Yeah, that's the general source. But how do we go to the next words? We need to find this space, right? Yes. So okay. So in Python, remember we have a very useful function which is called split. Yeah? Split.
Split.
Split. What's split?
Split.
Just to what is it?
Split.
Yeah, just to make it apart. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you can take a parameters. Then if you put
It'd be 2 minutes.
you put a space, it means I split by space. So look, if this is S, yeah, look, this is a string, and then if I say split, S dot split.
A, you should do A.
Let's look at if it's S is a string, S dot split space. Then what it becomes, you will split the sentence string by this delimiter, yeah, delimiter. What does it mean? Delimiter. By this thing you're given into a list, so you become a list. Yeah, bracket and Eric, comma, and comma, and Ryan. Got it?
That's me.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's me.
Okay, so there might be a small problem, which is S string is not. Yeah, you can split the string, yeah, and by this you become this, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you just need to reverse this part.
And first.
Reverse this part. How do we reverse the list? Reverse this bit, and then the opposite. So how do we do the opposite? From the list to a string. For example, list, I want to make it back to Eric and Ryan. So if this is A, okay? If this is an array A, so how can we make this back to this? We can use this. Space, yeah? This is a space, dot, join, A. That's it. So what does it mean? It means that I want to join the elements in a list by a space. Got it? Yes? Do you see it? So this way you will make a string based on a list by delimiter. And this direction, you split a string into an array of strings by using a list split function. Okay? So
what's the complexity?
no yet. Okay, so now I can do this. Okay, so let's do this, okay? I can show you, okay? So for example, if we want to reverse a string, how do we reverse string? There's an algorithm to do it.
We do the last.
Look.
The last becomes the front.
No, look. If this is the, remember the reverse string. We are using the reverse string. We can use reverse to check if a string is a palindrome. Yeah. because it's spelled backward, like race car is spelled backward, it's also race car, yeah? Okay, so this, look, Eric. A, B, C, D, E. Okay, we want to reverse this bit, it will become E, D, C, B, A, okay? Yes?
Yeah.
How can we do it?
We just move the last one to the beginning.
So the last one to the beginning, and then how do we do it?
And the beginning one to the end, then the second beginning one.
Okay, so you mentioned a very good point, which is to look. I have 2 pointer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ryan, look. I have 2 pointer. I swap these two. Yeah. So you become EA. And then I move it closer, 1 step closer. Yeah. And I swap these two. You become D and you become what? B. And then move it. And then meet it in the middle, and that's it. You see? Does it work? Yes? I have 2 pointer at both ends. I swap the elements at both ends. And then I move 1 step closer to each other until they meet in the middle, which it will be in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but interesting is in Python, the S is the string are immutable. So what do you mean by this mean? Immutable. What does it mean?
Means you can't talk.
No. Mutable. What does mutable mean? Change. It can be changed. Immutable means it can't be changed. So what does it mean? Like if S is a string, Eric, if S is a string, right? S0 will be LE, yeah? Will be equal to E, right? Yes? Alright? But you can't change the string. You can't say I want to S0, I want to point it to capital A. You can't do that. Because this string is immutable. You can't change it. You can only read from it. Do you get it?
There's a lowercase a.
Yeah, that's okay. But you can say, okay, I want the S0 is equal to E. Double equal means to check. Check for equality, right? Single equal means to assign a value. But you can't do it in Python, okay? Yes? You can't do it. So we can only
in Zoom.
Yeah.
It means you can't talk.
Yeah, look, if S is the string, then we can convert it to array, right? Let's say array equals list S, then you become a character. When you do this, the SA will become what? Will become like that. E, R, a single letter, yeah? I, C, and then now you can. This is mutable. It means you can change it, right? Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to do. I'm going to talk about if it's okay. That's okay. If A is the list, then how can we change it? So look. So define reverse. Let's just reverse S from I to J. Yeah. If S is the list, yeah? If S is the list, then we can do this. Y, I is smaller than J, colon, yeah? And I want to swap the position from I to J, yeah? So Si, Sj equals Sj, Si, okay? You see? Sj equals Sj, Si, okay? So it means to swap it. And then I plus equals 1, and then what should I do with J?
J.
I is on the left, I is on the left, J is here. I plus equals 1, I move 1 step to the right, and what should I do with J?
J minus equals 1.
Well done. Brilliant. That's what I want, yes? And when I meet in the middle, then that's it. Let's swap it, yeah? Swap it, yeah? Got it? Okay, so in Python, we don't need to reinvent the wheel. We can just do this in Python. In Python, we can just do this. I want to reverse it, alright? I want to reverse it. Either it's a string or a list. I can just do this. I can just use this function, reverse. reversed S, then you become reverse. That's it. Or alternatively, you can do this.
Quick.
Or alternatively, you can just do this. S bracket column minus 1. Okay? So in one minus 1. So it means double column minus 1. It means to reverse it. It's the reverse version of S. Right? Yes? Yes? So, and one way of doing it, Eric, first of all, a more complicated approach is to reverse this by letters. So reverse this letter, you'll be what? NAYRDNACIRE. Okay? So this is not what we want, yeah? Yeah? No. And then the second step is to reverse the words. So this will become Ryan, this will become Anne, this will become Eric. Yeah, you see? That's what we want, yeah? Ryan, you see? Yeah?
Yeah.
And another approach, another approach is what? This is one approach. Another approach is, first of all, look, we split it. S dot split. Okay, so now, Eric, what do we have? You become, what we have, ERIC, yeah? And Ryan.
Me.
Okay, so now, look, Eric, this is it. And then if we what? Look, Eric, if we use this, you can tell me what happened, okay? If I put this, column minus 1, so what happened? And then you become what? If I put this at the end, you become Ryan. Look, I reverse the words in the array, right? Ryan and what? Eric, yeah? Right? Eric, yeah? And now I just need to connect these by space. So now what do I do? And then what do I do? Space dot join.
Again.
Yeah? Do you get it? Space dot join, and then you become Ryan
Plus equals.
and Eric. You see? Got it? Okay. So in a single function, look.
Single function.
Define
Yeah.
reverse. Okay. This is reverse words. Okay. Reverse words. And then S, we just do this.
Column.
Return space dot join. Remember what we talk about join. And then S dot split by space. And then column minus 1. That's it. Yeah? Got it? So this is the simple done to make Eric and Ryan become Ryan and Eric. Got it? That's it. Yes?
That's a simple.
Yeah. Or alternatively, this one, you can do this. This is reverse, you can just do this. Reverse, remember, it's the same thing. Reverse. S dot split. Yeah? Okay? It's the same thing, Eric? It's the same thing. Join, okay? Same thing. Okay? Do you get it? Yes? Okay, now I have 2 quiz. Okay, you just tell me what is it, okay? I just have 2 quiz, okay? Yeah? Okay. You tell me, okay? A space B space C dot split. Split space. What does it give me? What does it give me?
CBA.
Split, what does it give me? No?
CBA.
Where is the C? Well, I don't have a reverse here.
BAC.
What does it give me? This is a string. I split by a space. What does it give me?
A, B, C.
It's a bracket. It's a list. Yeah? A, B, 3 elements. Got it? Yeah? That's what it will give us. Okay? And how about RYAN, okay? Ryan, bracket minus space, colon, minus 1. What does it give me?
NAYR, capital R.
NAYR. Because this is reverse. It's the same thing as...
Yeah, you got a column here. No, I mean,
what column here?
bracket.
No bracket, okay? So how about this? How about this? Reverse.
It's bean.
Reverse every.
CIRE.
CII. It's the same thing, okay?
Yeah.
How about...
It's been 16 minutes.
How about if I say this a bracket and minus this is... If I want to apply this to the list, what's the result? What?
CBA.
Yeah, we're done CBA. Yeah, you got it.
CBA.
And how about the last bit? The last bit. Plus dot join.
Why that I so
Okay. Dot join. And then that will be
don't do it so I can just
A, comma B, comma C. Okay.
A plus B plus C.
A plus B plus. This is string, yeah?
See? Big brain.
We're done. Okay. So that's pretty much the
It's been 70 minutes. Bye. 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 Bye.
Okay.
Bye.